video is gonna be a chit chat, get ready with me, even though I went ahead and did my eyebrow off camera. I'm just gonna be answering some questions you guys sent me on my Snapchat and Instagram. And you know, if you're new to my channel or today is the first day you're watching me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post I don't have a posting schedule, but I post twice or more a week, and I post vlogs, makeup, routines, challenges, whatever you want to see. I have it on my channel, so go ahead and be a part of the blessing squad, because all we spread is positive vibes. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. First, I go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Conceal. Just take a little bit of that. My skin is breaking out. Like my face. I don't know if you guys can see it. But look, it's breaking out. So go ahead and use my, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I put like a little bit. I don't want to be using too much foundation anymore. So, wow, I'm supposed to be answering the question. Alright guys, the first question is, what are you gonna major in college? My major in college is General Studies STEM. Okay, that's what I'm gonna be majoring in college. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender. Next thing I use is, like I use in every one of my videos, my makeup videos, is the LA Pro Conceal. So I go ahead and, I'm recording. The next question is, if you could live anywhere else on earth, where would it be besides Nigeria? Oh, probably somewhere tropical, like I said before. Probably somewhere tropical. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Just take a little bit of that. Oh. The next question says, where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself being successful, probably have my own apartment, still doing YouTube, have a career. Like, in 5 years, I'm gonna be 25. Like, just have everything all planned out. But you know what? God's time is always the best. But yeah, in 5 years, I see myself being successful, probably have my own, not my own company, but you know, almost there by that time. Whoa, I think I'm adding too much. I need to really blend it. But yeah, that's what I plan. That's where I see myself in 5 years. And I go ahead and use is the Masquerade by Julia, and I always use this shade right here. It's called Grizel. She's a nice person, she's funny, she's chill. Yeah, and I love her, and she's. Next question is, what do you miss about high school? I wouldn't really say I miss high school yet because I haven't started college. I don't start college till August 28th. But after like maybe 2 weeks or more, I'll make another video, like say what I miss and stuff about high school. So stay tuned for that. The question is, are you ready for college? I wouldn't necessarily say yes or no. I mean, I gotta be ready one way or another. School starts very soon, and I gotta get my education. I know it's gonna be a lot different than high school, but am I ready? I don't know. Maybe. We're gonna see. I'm gonna vlog how my first day of school goes. What? I'm gonna vlog how my first day of college goes, and like I'm gonna talk about all that, like how much it's different from high school and all that shebang bang. You feel me? Yeah. Moving on to the next question. Use my Inglot liquid eyeliner, but I'm gonna speed this part up because I mess up. I don't know how it turned out. I'm not a makeup girl, so I'm gonna take it like that. The next thing I'm gonna do is my eyelash. Use the Mary Kay mascara. So, relationship status, single or taken? Well, I'm single and not ready to mingle because I'm really trying to just focus on myself right now and building myself and, trying to really develop myself. Just trying to develop myself, like grow my mindset and other stuff like that. And, when God says the time is right, I'm going to go ahead. I'm not going to go ahead, but like, saying, but like when God says the time is right, then I'm just gonna go with the flow. But for right now, I'm chilling, single, and not ready to mingle. Just living my best life. Yeah. Go ahead and use my NYX Matte Finish Finance Setting Spray. Close your eyes. What is your height? I'm 5'7". I look taller than that though, but I'm 5'7". Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my This is how the highlighter looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that. Guys, you guys should go ahead and comment down below what time you think I should be posting. What time you guys think I should be posting videos? Question is, how is your summer going? And I'm going ahead and using mine. I got this lip gloss, I think Forever 21. Yeah. But how's my summer going? This summer has been the most boringest summer. I don't even know if that's a word, but it has been boring. I didn't go nowhere. I'm trying to tell you guys, I literally stayed at home. I mean, I went 1 or 2 places, but that was it. But next summer, just know, once school is over, I'm getting out of Maryland. I'm taking the next available flight to wherever I want to go to, like her, like it's so boring just staying at home. Like, you gotta go out and go on an adventure and all that. Like, this summer was just boring. Like, no. Next summer, let me not say too much. I have an amazing place that I want to visit, so I'm gonna vlog that for you guys. By that time, the subscriber is gonna be so big and huge. Hey guys, this concludes the end of my chit chat. Get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And also follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat to keep up with me when I'm not on camera. Guys, we're on a road to 200 subscribers. Like, I'm so excited. Like, once we hit 200 subscribers, just not have a special video coming, and it's gonna be lit. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I want to be doing like notification shout out, just to engage with you guys. Like, once you guys comment, the first to comment, all that. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you'd like to see more amazing videos like this, go ahead and give this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and thank you all. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys. Be a part of the Blessing Squad. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.